All right, I have a good authority that my wife might be in Redwood Creek. I think those guys over there told me. The two bears. Let's go check out Redwood Creek, shall we? And see if we can find leaves. Here we go. Right turn. We're gonna turn right this time. You can pause it any time. And you can still look around in 360, so go ahead, try it. Welcome back. Oh, we're going through a big tree. Ooh. It's all set up for Oogie Boogie Bash. That's where the candles were in there. Hey Ma, can we head towards the waterfall? Is that all right? There's the mountain lion. Oh, so that's. Oh, I see. I don't see a mountain lion. Oh, I almost fell down because I was looking for a mountain lion. Adventurous. All right, Ma, your turn.
All of them are here.
If I'm going to do it, I'm having the camera with me, but I'm not doing it. And that's the Grand California. Still no leaves. Can't find leaves yet. Maybe we can overlook this and maybe find her up here.
Godfather, come here now.
I'm here! Up top!
Up top.
Up down, buddy! Down here!
Go down this slide again.
Lots of kids running around here.
Niñas, espérense.
Fun slide.
Ven, niñas. Oh, it's down third.
Want to see some more wooden carvings, Mom? Right here. He's winking. He's winking at you. Finding all sorts of wood carvings. I've not found Lee's yet. Look at that one. He's oiling himself up in darkness. Again, at any time, if you wanted to, you could hit pause and you can still look around. So don't forget to do that. Haven't found Lee's yet. Still looking. I found the Tulio mouse. Hey, Tulio mouse. And the frog. I think I found where Lee's is, Ma. I'm just gonna go check it out. Lee's, are you in here? Oh, my back. Lee's? Lee's? Whoa. Get too old for that. No Lee's in there. We shall continue looking for her. No, didn't find Lee's. Alright, I'm looking for Lee's, but I think I also can find out my spirit bear. Let's go check out the Spirit Bear Cave and see A, if I can find Lee's, or B, my spirit bear. Spirit animal, not bear. Maybe I'm a bear. Maybe that's why I keep saying bear. Or maybe I just want to be bear. Be a bear. Alright, here we go. See? Look at that. Done. I'm in the dark room. Whoa. Well, that was scary. Alright, here we go. What's my spare bear thinking? I'm an eagle? A spirit bear is an eagle. There's a bear in that corner, Mom. So, do you want us to check out yours? Here we go. All right. One way, Mom. You're a wolf.
I'm the wolf. Okay.
You're a wolf in sheep's clothing, Mom. And I think we better leave before that bear gets it. Uh-oh. There's another spirit animal. She's asking what her inner child is. It can't fool the spirit animal. And she's still a wolf. Alright, so we're exiting. Didn't find Lee's. Found out I'm not bear. I am clothes. But also, I am an eagle. And Ma is a wolf. And her inner child is a wolf. So there you go. Who knew? She's a wolf in sheep's clothing. But no leaves. Alright, well. Thanks for watching. Hopefully next time you'll see Lee's. Now she's calling me a moose.